Puppies and Piggies by Cynthia Rylant, illustrated by Ivan Bates. Puppy loves the farmyard. Puppy loves the rain. Puppy loves to press his nose against the window pane. Kitty loves a garden. Kitty loves a rose. Kitty loves to walk up high on her kitty toes. Bunny loves some lettuce. Bunny loves some peas. Bunny loves to hide herself among the apple trees. Piggy loves his mud pen. Piggy loves his slop. Piggy loves the barn where he can roll around and flop. Chickie loves her nesting. Chickie loves her seeds. Chickie loves to peck all day. That's all Chickie needs. Mousie loves to wiggle. Mousie loves to hide. Mousie loves a nice dark hole to put himself inside. Goosey loves his honking. Goosey loves his walk. Goosey loves to find a friend and talk and talk and talk. Pony loves a pasture. Pony loves to run. Pony loves to stretch her legs in the summer sun. Baby loves his blanket. Baby loves his bed. Baby loves his mama, who will kiss his sleepy head. Happy piggies, happy puppies, happy babies too. Happy little lovey-doveys. Just like you.